I'm comedian Teri Hearte. My life is the joke, and I'm in a better mood now. Look what I got. Got my Amazon package and my food stamp card came in the mail. And they fixed the problem in my kitchen. Y'all, I'm having a good day. This all happened at the same time. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. I cleaned up my patio today because it had been looking a hot mess yesterday. I didn't show y'all what it looked like yesterday, but now it's back how it's supposed to be. I'm finna go show neighbor boy that I got my stuff. Neighbor boy's about to come out here. Ugh, shoot. Yeah, baby. I'm sorry, I felt that car. When I saw it, I felt around. I said, oh, I feel it in there. I feel it in there. Too excited. And I don't know if I told y'all. I don't know if I mentioned it. I had so much going on. Like, y'all, I can't tell y'all what's in the vlogs and what's not in them. But I don't remember telling y'all. But I had to get a new power cord for my my ring light. And while I was at it, I got some other stuff. So, well, one other thing. But I'll show it to y'all. I'm probably going to try to do like a little unboxing video. Amazon unboxing. Because y'all know I'm in the Amazon influencer program or whatever. So, yeah, I'm going to try to get some footage. So, I don't want to just open it too fast. But, yeah. He'll be out here in a second. Baby, spring is springing.
She wanna mom, she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy. She know the choice. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I dropped 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep to shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm stunned up till I D.I.D. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm stunned up till I D.I.D. I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you go? Feel my age.
What's up, y'all? Like, I know y'all probably saw in like the last, I'm thinking 2 vlogs, that life was a scramble for sure. But I'm back on my square now. I'm back on my square, literally. Like, house is back in order. Kitchen is back in order. And like everything is back in order. I even have groceries. There's food in the fridge. Like, Mama, don't worry, I'm a gangster. What he say? You raised a gangster, I'm a survivor.
And mama, don't worry, you raised a gangster, I'm a survivor.
Yeah, so today is the 9th of March. LP is about to be here probably any minute. And we're gonna go have brunch. It's 11:45 a.m. on a Thursday. And it's raining, but we're gonna go get out of the house just for a little bit. Cause your girl needs it. Okay, I bought some wine last night that I'm probably gonna open later today. Y'all, I was in so much pain because I cleaned up. So the clips that you saw, either you saw it or I'm about to show you now, one of the two. I was cleaning up from like 10:30 a.m. to like 10:30 at night. Like cleaning the house, going to the grocery store, all that. Like I was in so much pain. Reed was like talking me through it. She was like, you can do it. Cause I was like, I want to get up and shower. And I was like, girl, I just can't. But I did get up and do that. I bought some flowers. Look. I put together me a little bouquet. Okay. Period. And I got some excess filler and I put them over here. So yeah. My power cord for my ring light finally came. I'm gonna do like a little unbagging, unboxing situation. Let me show you. Oh, let me show y'all the other thing that came in my Amazon package. It's in the fridge. It's these. I got 2 of them. They're the jars, and they have tea in them. They have 2 different kind of teas in them. I got like one of them is like a grape and sage or something, and the other one is, girl, I don't remember, but yeah, I'm just happy to have stuff in the fridge now, cause whoo, chat, we back in business.
I know you've got a little life in you, man. I know you've got a lot of strength left. I know you've got a little life in you, yeah. I know you've got a lot of strength left. I should be crying, but I just can't let it show. I should be hoping, but I can't stop thinking.
I kind of want to put on socks, but I also kind of don't. It's raining, and I feel like if I wear these shoes, if I wear my airport slides, then I don't have to wear the socks. Or I shouldn't wear socks, because if my socks get wet, then my socks wet. But with these shoes, my foot getting wet is a problem I can solve pretty easily. Put some lotion on my feet though, because they is ashy. Y'all, let me talk y'all through just briefly. I'm gonna try to make this quick. The plumbers, as y'all saw, the first guy, he didn't come do nothing but put holes in the walls and live. And then they had like another contractor come out. His name was Juan, and he like snaked the wall, replaced the pipes, drained everything. And he was here for, he was probably here for like maybe 4-ish hours. So I knew the problem was solved. They had to replace my garbage disposal, and then they had to, something was clogged or something, so the water wasn't draining. That was the issue, which is why I had all that like stuff backing up into my sink. And don't watch this vlog if you're eating, because I'm gonna probably insert the pictures, and it's gross to me. So I don't know, it might be gross to you too. But after they did that, like, he was like, don't clean up. He told me he turned the dishwasher back on, because the dishwasher had been off. The other maintenance guy had turned it off as if that was gonna solve something. It didn't, but he turned it back on, and I ran the dishwasher like 3 times because the smell was crazy, like I mentioned in another vlog. But that immediately went away, and he was like, oh, I'm gonna send somebody. He's supposed to came back. Today's Thursday. He's supposed to come back Wednesday to fix the holes in the wall. He didn't. For anybody who didn't see those holes in the wall, I'll show y'all. But go watch the other vlogs too. I was like, I need to clean up. Like, that's crazy. Like, because they was gonna send somebody, like send like cleaning people or whatever, which is cool. But at the same time, like, you really expect me to sit up in here with this like this, and no ma'am, no Pam. So I broke my back to go ahead and clean it up, because wasn't nobody doing that. Waiting on nobody. But all in all, the issue has been resolved. Now it's time to solve a new problem, for sure. I got car stuff that needs to be taken care of. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to make some phone calls and stuff today. Because they put that little green sticker on my car talking about some tag expired. Baby, I'm on tour. Everybody got time to be getting no tag. I'm like, So, yeah, I'm going to go solve that problem today, too. I got to get a new trash can, because I had to get rid of the trash can. I need new towels, because I used up so many towels. Trying to get the stuff off the floor. Like, at this point, I'm just committed. We're redecorating the whole house. We're just getting all new everything. So, stay tuned for that. All the stuff we did never finish doing when we were decorating, that's what we're doing now. Come along. Like, let's take it all the way back to when I first moved into this apartment. But this mansion with this apartment part of it. Yeah. LP should be here, like I said, any minute now. So I probably could have put a little heat to this sweatshirt, but girl, leave me alone. me the F alone. Let's go. It's cold out here. It is cold out here. I think I can make a run for it. Tell the vlog what's up. Okay, I'm gonna do the pancake corn dogs, and I would like a side of scrambled eggs and cheese also. I got sweet tea. Y'all know. Yeah, we're at Biscuit Belly in Mark's Gap. One of my social media cousins, Ladarius, he posted about this on his TikTok. And I was like, yeah, I think we're gonna try that today. So I got pancake corn dogs and eggs. And Lamar got he got pancakes and eggs and a biscuit. You need a pancake and a biscuit?
If I been the biscuits, I want to see how the biscuits is. Yeah, it sound, cliche, but they have 2 forms of bread.
You need a sausage or that? No meat?
It come with bacon.
Oh. So we're gonna have us some brunch on this little rainy day. And my cousin Mark called me talking about we coming to your house to eat your groceries. No, you're not. No, you're not. That's his favorite thing to do. Talking about we gonna come eat your fruit. Sir, get off my phone.
Who is he?
Him and Darren, his best friend. All right, y'all. Let's see. And they said this is maple mayo. Never had no maple mayo. Ooh, that's good. Definitely getting full.
You
Definitely getting full. You already full, right?
just about.
All that pancake.
Yeah. There was a lot of pancakes, man. From Cap Teri.
When I get pancake, I be able to just get like a single, like one pancake. Or the little ones like that. When they be big like that, I never finish it. Y'all, it is cold out here. Oh my God. What are you singing? What are you singing?
The yams time.
My feet cold. Oh, Lamar talking about yams and stuff. What yams?
I said sugar and spice and everything nice. That's the ingredients to build a Powerpuff Girls.
What? That's not what I thought you was about to say.
That's what they did.
That's true.
Sugar, spice, and everything nice. Whew. Oh!
Shot, booyah. But they mine.
If I want then
You better watch them. I'm gonna come to the dollar store. Because I need to get some supplies. What you say?
Card only, no cash, no cash back.
Okay, I'm good. How are you today?
I'm good, how are you?
Good. Because what? All I did was walk in the... Nah, she got me discombobulated. She got me all out of order. Sit right here for a second. What was the deodorant? What deodorant I just had? I liked whatever I just had. That's what I think I want. But I don't know what it was. They don't have no insulation. Yeah, this thing. I need to smell it. I don't get it if I can't smell it. I like that. Them prices can't be right. This is not $7. That's crazy. I don't think that's right. I don't know what that's all about, but the green be smelling good too. I need some more of my Olay body wash, but they don't sell it in here. I used to use this. Is it crazy to get 2 brands? See which one I like. Look at them. I'm trying to see if there's anything else from over here. Oh, makeup remover wipes. That was on my list. Actually, I have a list. I do have a list of stuff I know that I need. I really want to go to Sephora, to be honest. Because I don't even know what these are. I don't like... Neutrogena isn't bad. I just rather go though. Oh, micellar water. I can get that though. You may not be on this aisle. Let's go see. I don't need these, but they are $5. So I might get them. All right, so we are back at my house. I had to go to the dollar store because I needed to get some things. Laundry detergent. I was out of paper towels. Like this right here. The goat. Game. Let's work. I'll be buying that. I don't buy any laundry detergent other than Game. Why would you need to do that? You need a paper towel? You need a paper towel? Huh? I don't know what that means. Do that mean you didn't wash your hands?
Yeah, I wash my hands.
Got me some deodorant. Micellar water. I had to get some micellar water.
What kind of business do you have?
Late. I'm gonna have to call her. She talking on the phone. She at work. I did end up getting those shoes, y'all. Ouch. And I know they just like the ones I had on, but they're not. They're different. They're their own. They're their own person. These shoes have their own personality. Yeah, I like that. I like them. Yeah! Lamar, see? Totally different shape. These are top. No, they're not. Yeah, my foot is inside the thing. Huh? My foot is inside. No, the 7
That's the-
is too small. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. They go inside the thing. Huh?
It's comfortable.
Yeah. See, this how they made. They're like that deep inside. I like them. Well, this an 8. I had to size up. 7, my size was too small. Those are 7.
The bubble shoes?
Yeah.
What they called?
Cloud shoes. Well, these are called cloud shoes. Those are bubble shoes.
Okay, so they are called bubble shoes.
Yeah.
Damn, that's crazy.
Them the airport slide 7s. That's what.
The who?
Them the airport slide 7s. You
That's
didn't
what you call them?
see. You didn't see my interview with Richard Ray.
No.
And y'all, I ended up having to get some. I've been talking about needing some socks. So I got some long white socks. I wanted some long white socks. And then I got a 3-pack of ankle socks. They got white, gray, and black. So I needed to get them. I probably should have got. Oh, they have 4 pair. White, a light gray, a darker gray, and then like a black. I didn't even realize that when I bought them. That actually makes them a little more worth it. Okay. So, yeah. Yeah.
It ran in while I was on the toilet. I almost fucked it up.
So you decided to move across town?
Yeah, shit. Yeah. I said, shit, I'm gonna move where I know the rats in a bit.
Y'all, Sean here. He pulled up on us. What you say?
They gonna ask me and my son.
Who asked you that? The girl from earlier?
She said, shit.
Lamar getting some play on the internet.
Man, that nigga done. Hey, I ain't gonna lie to you real talk. Like, no homo, but you got some lotion?
Yeah. You need lotion?
Yeah.
I'll get you some lotion.
Yeah, lotion.
Extra Larry!
Rich, yeah. That shit full. I put lotion on, but you know how you get out the shower, that shit still
Yeah,
in.
that shit.
That shit still ain't moving.
That shit well.
Like you just put on your arm, like niggas don't never lotion
You
their
gotta
whole body.
excuse my man, someone know cleaning up.
Oh, you straight, you know what I'm saying? Shit, everybody do this shit from time to time.
Clean up every now and then.
I did homework. Hold on. Shit. Nigga, you know, hard too.
Hey, freaky little bitch. Get in that freaky little bitch. Get in that freaky little bitch.
I'm gonna go ahead and open my new power cord. Hopefully it works and everything. But I think I'm about to film like a unboxing, unbagging type of situation. So I can put it on Amazon. Shop my Amazon storefront. First and foremost. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. Cause I need to. Cause I definitely didn't unbox it for the containers that I bought for my juice. So I think I'm gonna do that with this now. I don't think I'm cooking, y'all. That's how I ended up on the couch. I just talked to I talked to neighbor boy. I'm calling to see what Reed is up to. Oh. I was about to say, now my sis not answering the phone.
Nah, I'm here trying to export the vlog. It's 15 minutes.
Yes. It's going up tonight?
I gotta add the intro, huh?
It's going up tonight?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it up today.
Reed is uploading the vlog today. I uploaded one earlier. I'm vlogging now.
I was walking home when I saw it. You know, I would have turned it on, but it's a little cold here. I had to put them hands in the pocket.
Girl.
But
Yeah. And I actually I exported the one that's supposed to go up tomorrow, so I just need to schedule
so I
it.
might, if I'm about to start one for, because I'm trying to, I think we about to get to George finally, so I'm trying to like.
Yeah, trying to get caught up. Girl, that's what I was saying today. I was like, I gotta get caught up. Like I've been filming the stuff, editing it and everything, but like the upload. But I think we on track.
At work. And you know, tomorrow I work from home.
Yes. I think I'm getting back on track though, you guys. I'm getting back on track now. So vlog went up today. One should go up tomorrow, and then today, I should be able to put today up on Saturday. That is my goal at least. But I don't know. I feel like today was kind of like a lackluster day almost. Like when I think back about what clips I got. So I don't know. It's possible that I will put like today and whatever I do tomorrow together if it's something interesting. and put it out maybe Sunday. I don't know though.
Nice. I need to I wanna do some. Do you want me to play with you? Like you got the toy in your mouth. Yeah, I don't really like the playing thing because they like bring you the toys, then when you go reach for them, they just take it away. Okay.
Yeah. Read over there, dog sitting.
I got some. I ended up seeing some good content ideas. So like, I know like eventually, with like for instance, today was lackluster for me too, kinda. But I'm like, by the time this come out, I hope on Mondays and Fridays I take out time to film.
Yeah.
Since I'm working from home, and then do whatever. Cause now that I'm even more indulged with like movies and stuff right now, I'm like, oh, I can do this 3 M's I can do on Mondays. Like now, low key.
Yeah. I filmed, edited, and uploaded the unboxing of my new power cord for my ring light. So I put that on Amazon today. So I felt cool. I was like, okay, look at me putting a video on Amazon. So that was cool. I'm just happy to have my ring light back, to be honest.
I know that's right.
Y'all, I'm about to get ready to do hookah with the neighbor boy. I talked to CC Pickett tonight, y'all, about pretty big opportunity. I ain't gonna say with who or what yet, cause I don't even know. But she did pass my name along, and they're gonna reach out to me. And I'ma just say that it's a big deal in comedy. CC Pickett is an amazing, beautiful, so talented comedian that I really look up to just as a person. Like, she's just a really dope person. And I was so grateful to even be thought about. You know what I mean? So when somebody you look up to, like, is proud of you, and they think that you're, like, good at what you do, or whatever, in your, respective areas, your expertise, and they're like, you know what, I'm gonna put you on, or, extend the opportunity to you, or if I can't do it, I don't mind mentioning you, like, because that's what she did. It was something that she was like, she not really trying to do, because it requires travel, and that's not what she's wanting to do right now. She's older and more, what is it, seasoned? What's the appropriate word when you're talking about somebody that's older? Y'all know what I'm talking about. But anyway, she's fine wine. And so, yeah. All in all, I'm excited. I've had a great day. And I put on my favorite little indoor shirt and my sweatpants, as y'all saw. And we're going to do some hookah. And I'm going to eat my salad. I'm going to eat my salad first. So, why is that always my, like, before we go to the next clip, before we go to the next scene, I'd be like, okay, so let's go in the kitchen. I'm going to have this leftover salad. I'm going to pour myself some of this tea. I have my new little jug. Even though I need to be drinking some water, I'm gonna add some ice to my cup. Okay, Mr. Splish Splashy. Need to add some ice to my ice water. Okay, I have four salad dressings. Which one should I have? I'm actually only picking from 3. I got the poppy seed, pear poppy seed. And then I have 2 Marie's, the creamy dill ranch and the Greek vinaigrette. what kind of mood am I in? How are we feeling? What's life looking like? I think I'm gonna do the creamy dill ranch. I feel like they go with the salad. Cause it's just like a chef salad or whatever. It's just a little chef salad. Yeah, in the process of cleaning up the kitchen situation, when the maintenance people were coming, look what one of them did. So they have to order me a new handle because they were trying to move the refrigerator to clean behind it to get the water from back there. They broke the handle. It's like, couldn't catch a break. That aggravated me. So yeah, I'm gonna just have this salad. Cause I do feel myself kind of getting like, kind of not feeling good or something. And I think that's just because I haven't eaten since earlier and I haven't had any water. That's good. I hope you want to come over here while I'm trying to have my salad. You had all these time. Baby, it's submarine dressing from Publix. If y'all know, y'all know. If y'all be watching me, then y'all know, you know, you know. So, let's see. Y'all think I'm gonna like this? Not tasting it before I put it on the salad is crazy. But hell, if I don't like this one, I ain't gonna like nothing I got. This was the most basic one. The ranch that came with this salad was an avocado ranch, and it was busting. It was too good. But I ate all of it up. Go. I'm supposed to be filming another video tonight. Kinda not looking good, not looking great. As far as that's concerned. Oh, I ain't got no crackers. No flaxseed crackers or nothing. Dang. Look at everywhere coming over here with the hoop. I'm gonna eat my salad. I knew it. I'm gonna eat my salad. How you knew the door was open?
Did you look at me and you ain't moved?
Anyway, so I'm gonna eat and we're gonna hang out and I'll talk to y'all in my next one. Till next time.
I just wanna be your favorite. I just wanna be your favorite.